Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My dear learners, you know that I have already provided you three paper clippings. That's mean English article from an English newspaper. That I have already provided you. First, you must hold why must we take part IELTS exam. Hold it. Why must we take IELTS exam? Understand? Have you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do I provide you? Can you explain? Anyone? Why do I provide you to you? Yes.
So you provide us the newspaper clippings to gather knowledge from other countries, what is happening, and how can we develop ourselves by skill-based and normal.
Anyone?
So you give us because if you don't know IELTS exam, you can't study in foreign countries. And if you take IELTS exam, you can have better opportunities to get a better job and better works. That's all for that.
Thank you. Anyone? I would like to add you information. You didn't know previously what is the meaning of IELTS. But after reading this article, you will be enriched yourself. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, you will hold in your hand another article, brain drain. Now, reverse brain drain. Understand?
Yes, sir.
After reading this article, you will be enriched. What is brain drain? Understand?
Yes, sir.
And why it should be affected on our education? Why are our meritorious students left our country? But if you read this article, you will be enriched. You will be enhanced your skill. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So, besides your textbook, you must read. Do you read it at your residence?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. And I have also provided to you another article. Please hold it.
Education.
What is the name of?
Education.
Education in a world of AI. Dear viewers, I have already provided to my students why do I do such kind of activities, because they are poor in English language proficiency. As a teacher, I thought if I do such kinds of activities, most of the students love to read their textbook, but they don't have any opportunity besides their textbook to read article, to read English clippings. And that thinking, I try to provide them. And okay, now hand down. And you have already got 3 clippings. In coming holidays, Eid vacation, if you read and first you will read, I suggest you, then you can record your voice. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So I think it is a very important topic. First, why must you take part IELTS exam? And after reading this article, you will be, yes, you will be enriched, you will be enhanced your skill. Why are you going to take part? Coming future, after completing your education, if you want to study abroad country, that is must be needed. And another article I have already provided you, its name is brain drain. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And another article, education, education in the world of AI. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So I hope that if you continuously read it, 3 articles must be develop your skills in English language. And lastly, I would like to express before you that practice, practice, practice and practice. Without speaking fluency, you will not be dominant coming world. But not getting marks. Getting marks will not help you to come forward entire world. Understand? But speaking fluency greatly help you. Suppose if you don't have good certificate, mind it, you will not be lost your confidence. But if you are skilled in English and ICT, you will dominate. Clear? But firstly, you try to work hard. First, learn vocabulary, then learn sentence pattern, and you will try to understand very attentively and deeply. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So, and you will try to focus on, yes, coming future I will dominate. And do you have lack proficiency, and do you feel that's when if you practice continuously, won't you be able to speak in English?
Yes, sir, of course.
Yes, sir.
Won't you?
Yes, sir.
I will.
You don't understand. I may clear you. If you practice continuously,
Yes, sir.
won't you be able to speak?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
But if you practice continuously,
Every day.
your fluency must be developed. Thanks to everyone. Allah Hafiz.
Allah.